Okay, our next question is on the coagulation and flocculation units, or what we call the rapid mixing basin. The question reads: a square rapid mixing basin with a depth of water equals to 1.25 times the width is to be designed for a flow of 7,570 meters cubed per day. The velocity gradient is to be 790 meters per second per meters. The detention time is 40 seconds. The operating temperature is at 10 degrees Celsius, and the turbine shaft speed is 100 rounds per minute. Determine the basin dimension, power required by the impeller, and impeller diameter. We have been given absolute viscosity at 10 degrees Celsius to be 0.00131 Newton second per meter squared. So to approach this question, we have to begin by citing out all the data that have been given to us. So we say available data, we have first, they say liquid depth. Liquid depth equals 1.25 times the width of the basin. Flow, we have been given flow to be 7,570 meters cubed per day. That's in 1 day. And we have velocity gradient at 790 meters per second per meter, and detention time is given as 40 seconds, and we have absolute viscosity 0.00131 Newton second per meter square. So the first part of the equation, which is we should look for dimension of basin. Say dimension of basin. We start by determining the required volume, which will be flow times detention time. But remember that our flow has been given in meters cubed per day, while we have detention time in seconds. So all of them have to be in seconds. So converting this in seconds, we'll have 7,570 meters cubed per day. How many minutes do we have in 1 day? 1,440 minutes, and we have 60 seconds in 1 minute. All of this multiplied by 40 seconds. So we have done the conversion. We'll get that as 3.50 meters cubed. So this is volume of basin. We get straight away now to get dimension. Remember, we're told that it's a square basin. Square basin meaning width times width, that's the area, times 1.25 times width, which is the depth, is equals to all of this is the volume, which we have already calculated to be 3.50 meters cubed. So we can come and say 1.25 width cube is equals to 3.50 meters cube, and it implies width is 1.41 meters. So therefore depth becomes 1.25 times 1.41. all of this gives us 1.76 meters. So we can conveniently say the square rapid mixing basin looks something like that. So we can say 1.41 meters, 1.41 meters, and here we have 1.76 meters.